Okay, so the thing we went over on Wednesday before the early dismissal and everything was permutations and combinations. So, a fundamental accounting principle really has to do with putting together different options or different events that happen together. Fundamental or permutations and combinations are when you have a group of something and you're selecting out of a group. So, you got to think groups. They go with these formulas, but in other videos, I showed you how to find or actually put a link to a calculator online for you. When you're in class, I can show you how to do it on my calculators. But basically, the main things that you need to know is that permutations are when you are choosing things in a specific order, or where if everything you're choosing is going to be different, which will make more sense when I do an example. For combinations, order doesn't matter, and it's when everything you're choosing is going to be the same. So this is the way you write it. They're both the same, but the first number is how many you are choosing out of. No, looks ugly. How many you're choosing out of. And the second number is how many you're choosing, like in the group. Basically, if you can remember that the bigger number goes first, then you're good. If you get it backwards, if it says error, just flip the numbers. But once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty simple. So, for example, there's 25 names in a drawing. 3 winners will get a $25 gift card. Well, they're all getting the same prize. So if they're all getting the same, that's a C. So I put 25 because that's how many names are in there, and I'm choosing 3. And then you would just see what that is. So if you plug that into the calculator, it's 2,300. Hang on, my lights went up. Okay. Then this one, there's 10 students in a race. First, second, and third place get a gold, silver, bronze medal. So this one, order does matter. They're getting different medals because first, second, and third are different. So that's going to be a P. So there's 10 people winning the race, 3 winners. So 720 different possible outcomes of the ways that race could come in. There are ones I've seen where it's like there's 15 people in the race and the top 4 finishers move on to the next round. Well, in that case, it doesn't matter who comes in first, second, third, or fourth. All the top finishers are going to getting the same thing. So just keep that in mind. You have some homework in all 7 classes. You're trying to decide in what order to finish. So this is literally saying trying to figure out what order to do it in. So that's a P. And you're going to do all 7 things of your homework because you're such a good student. So you would do 7P7, which is 5,040. Then, last one, there are 10 sales associates at a company. 2 are needed to give a presentation. How many different possible pairs are there? So they're both just giving a presentation. They both have the same job. So that's going to be a C. So there's 10 people, 2 are being chosen. So like I said, it's really just same or different, or if it's in a specific order. 45. So that's permutations and combinations. There's another video where I kind of go over all of it in the assignment for 3. If you have questions, please come to the live meet and ask me. I'll go over whatever assignments you want me to go over or any questions you want me to go over, anything. So anyway, that is all.